Welcome to the new session that is Module 1 Water Demand Quantification through Population Forecasting. Quantification of water demand aims to work out or estimate the total water demand of a community that need to be provided for the satisfactory living condition. So we have already learned, is it the per capita demand, the absolute peak demand, etc. Now we want to calculate the total water demand of a particular community for planning and designing the project. So when we talk about service infrastructures, that means water supply or any other public road or any public system. So we need to project or we need to design the project, we need to plan the project for a longer period, is it? Since it is a public project. So even if we are planning our own individual house, so we used to provide or we used to plan the house at least for 35 years, is it? And usually our old houses, it may be having 60 to 70 years of old. But at least 35 years it will work without any damage. If it is so, when we consider a public water supply system, we have to plan it for a longer period, is it? So when we want to plan the project for a longer period, that means we want to know what would be the total population or what would be the projected population in that particular year. That means after 35 years, what would be the population which we want to serve. In that case, what would be the basic or the standard methods to project the population? We know that we are having a census population every 10 years, is it? Every 10 years we are having our national census population is there, or population is decadal. Decadal means for 10 years. So every 10 years we in India the population is taking and it is updating. The government is updating the population every year. Every 10 years. So then we want to know it for 30 years or 40 years or 50 years. Anyway, it is a future population. And again we know that in India the population, census population is considered or taken as every July 1st or July, the month of July. Then here we are doing some statistical analysis to project the population for a future period. That is what is written here in the note. So here in the first paragraph it is written how to calculate the total demand. So the total demand we can calculate. So the per capita demand we know, multiplied by the number of population to which we want to serve the water, or we want to provide service to the public. How many people we want to cover. In that case, we know the present demand or the present population multiplied by the per capita demand with which we are going to design the project. So we know the present demand by multiplying these two factors. Then if you know the future population, then take the future population multiplied by the per capita demand which we want to supply. So then we will get the projected demand. Here there are different methods